Hello everyone, welcome to Unity Gamity. So today we'll learn about how to move our player like this. So let's get started. So as you can see, we have created our player which has the name Knight and it has capsule collider and a rigid body. So we'll move it using the new input systems of Unity, which is a bit complex but easy to use. So first we'll go to Knight. Inside the inspector, we'll add the component of player input, create the actions, save it, then send messages to invoke unit events. Here you can see there are three or more events which you can use. We can add it to move our player, but first let's create a script for our player. It will be a mono-behavioral script. Name it as player movement. Okay, now we'll open it. VS Code. Um, let's delete it for now. So we'll create some variables. First will be our move speed, which will be private float, and move speed will be our 5 We'll add a serialized field so that we can change it inside the inspector view. Then we'll add rigid body 2D. The reference name for rigid body will be RB. We can name it anything. Oops, I guess that is lagging. Oh, okay, now it's done. Is there something wrong? Oh, okay, now it's working fine. Now we'll add vector 2, which will read our inputs in 1D and 2D motion. Its reference name will be move input. You can also name anything for this. So now we have created these inputs. Now we'll move to start. It will be RB is equals to get component, and inside this we'll get it the component of rigid body 2D. So the rigid body 2D here inside the player you can see it has the rigid body. So we are accessing this so that we can know the physics of the player and control it, and then add the parenthesis semicolon to exit. Okay, so it is here for our start code. Now we move to the update code. So RB dot linear velocity. In the old input system or old versions of Unity, it is named as velocity only. But here we'll add it as linear velocity and then move input multiplied by move speed. Okay, so if you want to understand this line, you have to get it that we are accessing our rigid body, this reference. and then linear velocity. We are multiplying move input with our move speed. Move input will be our vector, so that if it is going in this direction or in this direction, it will know by the vector to input. And the move speed will be a speed in which if you are going in this direction, then how much speed the player have to move in this direction. Here we have 5f, so exit from here and we'll create a new function. Public void parentheses. We got our code inside here. So for void we'll click move. So why move? Because as you can see inside events, so go to assets and here you can see it has a name move, look and fire. So we have to name the same alphabetical order in this inside. So if we'll move it as like this move, then it won't work. So you have to set the name exactly the same as the unity. Okay. Inside the parenthesis, move input. Oh, sorry. Input action. This um, callback context, and then the name context. Callback context is a thing. See here, where is night, and you can see mm, player input. This is a callback context we are using. Mm, So first, let's do one thing. Put our night inside here. Now we'll use a script to move it. Only one thing is remaining, and that is move input is equals to context dot read value. So read value will be which value will read. It will be of vector 2. Okay. So as you can see, get component read value, and there is something inside here. So get component means get the component which has rigid body. Read value means read the value of vector 2. -1, +1 in this direction, in this direction, in this, or this. We'll read that. And we'll put the value inside here, callback context, input action. And then it will move it to our move input, linear velocity. Now save it. Go to Unity, no function, player input. Oh, okay. So here we have to add it, saved it, right? So here inside the player section, there is a move callback context. As you can see, it is the callback I was talking about, and the same name as move. And then we'll add the night inside it, object, player movement, and then move. Okay, now it should be working. Player maximize. Let's play it. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Three, two, one. Uh, it's taking longer than that. Okay, ready to go. I guess it's lagging again. Okay. Uh, Here you can see we can move our player as you can wish in which the direction I can move it. It will be our enemy. So that's it for today, guys. We learned how to move it using our new input system. So make sure to tell me how it feels. Bye bye.